Miss Jocelyn here, and it's rough. But what else is new? It's always rough with me, but fret not. Today I am coming back to you guys. I'm coming back to you guys with another cosplay. This one is going to be Bulma from Dragon Ball. I recently found out that Dragon Ball Z is not the name of the series. I know it's like Dragon Ball Z Kai and da da da, but I thought the series was always Dragon Ball Z. But apparently it was Dragon Ball before it was Dragon Ball Z, and the Bulma that I'm going to be doing is the Dragon Ball Bulma, not the Dragon Ball Z Bulma. If you would like to see me put together a last minute Halloween costume, you can check it out up here. Last year I was Nezuko for Halloween, and you can check out another video when I was the female Titan. So not for Halloween, but just cause. Tomorrow at work we're having a costume contest tomorrow and Friday, but we are doing a group costume on Friday. I'm going to show you guys that costume later on, so make sure you check out that video when it comes out. It's a $100 gift card prize. You get a $100 gift card to Amazon. I'm a little nervous just because y'all know I live in Mississippi, and not to say that Mississippi people are stupid, but I live in Mississippi and I work around a bunch of predominantly black people, and a lot of these people are from the country part of Mississippi and they're a little old, so I'm not really sure they're gonna know what Dragon Ball Z is. So I'm hoping, even if they don't know the character, I'm hoping that I execute Bulma well enough to where they don't judge me on whether or not the character looks accurate or, you know, the character at all, and they just judge me on a cute costume. So without further ado, Bulma. So starting off, I painted my Dragon Ball. I just got a little styrofoam ball from the store and painted it orange. I had to use a tissue to paint it because I'm so raggedy. So this shirt looked way larger when I got it at the store. I should have checked the tag. It says a medium, but this isn't going to be big enough for her. Luckily, I have this yellow oversized t-shirt as well, and in some variations I've seen her in pink, and in some variations I've seen her in a yellow t-shirt of the same kind. So I don't think it will be too far from accurate, so I'm just going to go with the yellow, just in case any anime nerds try to get on my case. Here is where my frustration grew with this cosplay. Looking back, I should have just gotten some iron-on letters and just printed Bulma that way on the shirt, but I decided to try something new and use fabric markers, which first of all did not work, but also, as you can see, I wrote Bulma way too big on the shirt, so you can't even read it, and I made so many mistakes using fabric marker. I don't know, just get the iron-on letters, y'all. Then I drove all around Mississippi looking for a blue wig, only to not find the blue that I was looking for, but I think that was good enough. So I just cut the wig, and I did some shaping off camera too. I got this scarf from Goodwill. I cut it in half and then cut a half in half and then glued each side, right sides together to make leg warmers. If you could find some socks, like purple socks, I just cut the foot out of the socks to make leg warmers. That's what I usually do, but it was only $1, so hey. After that, I drew stars on my ball. As you can tell, I've never seen Dragon Ball, so I had to look and see what they look like. Also, I did not know Dragon Balls were not this big. Anyway, at the time I was a little frustrated, but after the grand reveal and then especially after editing, I really like it. I think it turned out super cute. I wish I had a pink shirt, but for what I worked with the night before, it was really pretty. I like it. So if you like this video, don't forget to like this video. Make sure you comment down below and subscribe as well. Thank you guys for tuning in. Until next time, bye.